Okay, so today we are going to demonstrate Module 1, Lesson 9, which is adding decimals. Our first example is here. I told them to go ahead and draw the place value chart. They don't have to draw the entire place value chart. The largest place value that we see is the ones place, so they can draw just one ahead of that. So they could do like the tenths, ones, tenths, hundredths, and just kind of leave it like that. They're going to write the numbers off here to the side in standard form. So 1 8/10 looks like this. And then 13/10 in standard form, which was what we practiced before we took the mid-module. Students know that it is demonstrated as 1.3. That would be 13/10 or 1 3/10. So they now have it set up with the place value chart and in standard form. They're going to go ahead and start drawing discs to represent their numbers. So 1 8/10, there's 1 in the ones place. And there is 8 in the tenths place. And then for 1 3/10, there is 1 in the tenths, 1 in the ones place, and 3 in the tenths place. 1, 2, 3. And now they're just going to see how many they have total. So here they have 5, 10, 11. Students know that they cannot have more than 9 in a place value, so they're going to go ahead and take 10 of them and move them over here. So now here we're left with just 1, and over here we have 1, 2, 3. So our place value chart shows us that the answer is 3 1/10. We're going to check our work over here using standard form. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So we have the same answer both times. That means we're good to go. One more quick example. If we have these numbers, they're already written in standard form, which is great. So I'm going to go ahead and just get my place value chart set up here. And I'm going to rewrite the numbers down here. 7 48 thousandths, 5 196 thousandths, and they're adding those. So for our first number, I'm going to choose better colors that you can see this time. We have 7 in the ones place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 0 in the tenths place. We have 4 in the hundredths place. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 8 in the thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our second number here, we have 5 in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1 in the tenths place, 9 in the hundredths place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 6 in the thousandths place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're just going to add them together. Here we have 5, 10, 14. We cannot have more than 9, so we'll go ahead and take 10 of those and move them over here. Students know that 10 thousandths is 1/100th, and 10 hundredths is 1/10, 10 tenths is 1 whole, and 10 wholes is 1/10. So they kind of get that concept from our last few lessons that we've had. So now we're left with 4 over here. We're going to go ahead and count what we have here. We have 5, 10 plus 4 more is 14, so that's too many. We're going to take 10 of them and move them over here. Now we have 4 here and 2 here. Over here we have 10, 11, 12. We've got to move 10 of them over. We have 2 left, plus the 1 over here. So our answer is 12 244 thousandths. If we check our work over here, we would get 14. Then we have 5 and 9 is 14 again. 1 and 1 is 2, and 7 and 5 is 12. So we have the same answers. We are good to go. That is adding decimals. Thank you.